What's up, family? How you guys doing today? Idle here with Milky Tech, and today we'll be looking at and unboxing the Lenovo Legion 5i. Now, there are two variants of this laptop. We have an AMD version and an Intel version. The variant we are looking at today is the Intel version. So the reason why I chose this laptop is I am looking for something that I can do my video editing, and of course all my productivity, and of course game on the side a little bit. Now, will this meet my expectations? I'm not sure. However, today all we are doing is an unboxing, and I'll review this unit on another video, so stay tuned. So let's get this unboxing done. Slice it open. Alright, pop this tab, pop this open, bring it down. The big reveal. More styrofoam, but the good kind. Let's flip this around so we're not smacking the mic. Open this up, comes out. There's something in here that is we should look at later. Open here. What do we have over here? There's a big box with 3 things. In the middle, we have information for the support, a safety and warranty guide, and a setup guide. Our power cord, and it is thick, and a brick. Our power brick. It is huge. It is a 230 watt power adapter. Whew. This draws a lot of power. Our power brick uses a USB Type A style plug. I'm thinking they went this way because USB Type C can't deliver that much wattage, and I would assume this laptop would require a lot of wattage. So we could give them a pass. And now for the laptop. It is a pretty laptop. I like how the Legion symbol just kind of had like a little, like a holographic rainbow effect to it. According to my wife, maybe iridescent. It doesn't have a gamer aesthetic to it. It looks very plain, which is nice. Nothing too crazy. You know, you could use it as a business laptop, and when you want to game, you probably could game on this. Let's open it up. It's a nice hinge. Opens all the way out. So the laptop is pretty heavy. It's almost 6 pounds. So let's go over the specs of this laptop. So this laptop has a 10th gen Core i7 10750H processor running at 2.6 gigahertz, and it boosts up to 5 gigahertz. It's a fast processor with a hex core and 12 threads. We're having 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM running at 2933 megahertz. The RAM in the laptop is rated at 3200 megahertz, but the processor only supports it up to 2933 megahertz. Of course, we got Windows 10 Home, a 1 terabyte hard drive with a half terabyte NVMe drive. That's perfect for storage and speed. We have a 15-inch 1080p display that runs at 144 Hz. That's perfect for gaming. And that screen is being driven by NVIDIA GTX 1660 Ti. For our internet, we have Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0, and we have Dolby Atmos support with 2 watt speakers. The keyboard is backlit. So let's go over the ports of this laptop. So here we have a vent, a USB 3.1, and a headphone microphone combo jack. On the other side, we have another vent, another USB 3.1, and a reset pinhole. On the back, we have 2 more vents. We have Ethernet. We have USB Type-C, which also runs as a display port. 2 more USB 3.0s. An HDMI 2.0. This could run 4K at 60 Hz, so you can output that out to your TV. Our power jack and our Kensington lock. And on the back, we have a huge intake. On the front, we have our webcam, and it has the privacy guard shutter, which is nice. You can always have it closed for extra security and privacy. Our keyboard, power button, trackpad. Let's see if it has enough juice to turn on. And we gotta plug it in. And it lives. Let's see if the screen turns on. And it lives. So let's do the obligatory screen flex. It's not bad. The whole laptop. The speakers work.
Use your voice.
Overall, the quality of the laptop, the build of the laptop is solid. It's a lot of plastic, but considering the price point and the specs you are getting, it's a fair trade-off, I think. Overall, I think this is so far a solid laptop, just from the amount of ports you have. I like that the ports are in the back, so if you're trying to use this as a desktop replacement, you can cable manage nicely, and then you just plug everything that you need and unplug it, and you don't have cables flying everywhere. That's a nice little touch to this laptop. I am looking forward to using this laptop and benchmarking it and testing it out and putting it through its paces. Stay tuned for that video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, hit that bell so you get notified when I release my next video. If you guys have comments, suggestions, or want to let me know what you're going to do with this laptop, put it down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.